Now let's learn how to enable full screen display. We can hide our recent key, home key and back key. After we can get the full screen display. Let's learn how to enable this option. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to display option. Scroll down it a little bit. After you can see here navigation bar option. Click on it. Now we already enabled this buttons method. Now I click on this buttons method. This is button view. If you want to change the button position, you can enable this second method. After our back key going to left side and recent key come to right side. Now if you want to hide these buttons, click on this swap gestures option. After you can see our buttons are going to hidden. This is our full screen display view. If you want to go to your home, you can tap your bottom like this. After you can open your mobile home screen like this. If you want to open recent application, you can tap and hold your screen middle area like this. After you can open your recent applications. If you want to go to back, you can tap your mobile edge area left or right side like this. After you can go to back. In this method, you can get your mobile full screen display. This one get very beautiful look on your A06 mobile.